Okay, in a previous question, we had this question. And so I'm gonna improve the way to enter these values on it. And then I will do another improvement. Okay. And so I'm gonna open it. And there is another command called display a string. So let me enter it. And so the string, what it does, it takes the value of a numerical value, or it takes, and then it displays it as a string, and it allows you to concatenate it with another string. So in this case, I will take the value of the hypotenuse, and then instead of writing 12 centimeters, notice that it was kind of awkward to put 4 boxes. Now I'm just gonna put a single box on that one. And then this is angle P. So what I will do is I will take that numerical value and I will call it, I'll take the string and I will concatenate it with this, which is nothing more than the alt in your key, and then you do 0176, 0176. And what that does, if you press that, so alt 0176, that is a shortcut for the degree symbol. So that's what I did there. And so, and what it does, let me show you what it does. You see here the new variable. This is from the previous question. Display R and display angle. So if I press new values, notice that I get 53 degrees, and this one was a box. This is a new character, basically a new string. So I will take this, yeah, and then notice again we have 4 boxes in here. So I will remove this box. Yes, and I'll remove this box, delete, and then I will remove this one as well, and I will say yes. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a new text box, and so new text box, and I will say, oh, I haven't cancel. I still have the 23 there. So I will delete this. There you go. So now what I'm going to do is I will put a new text box, and I'll say new. And my variable is display R. That was the variable that I did. And notice that immediately it puts this as 28 centimeters. So I'll move the X to the side. And so let me see what happens if I put 1.8. So at 1.5, that's a good value. I can increase the font, and I'll use boldface letters, And I believe I used 16 the previous time, no 16. And so I'll apply, and notice that it got a little larger. So I'll put it at 2, and look at what happens. And so it looks a lot better. And then I will get a new box, and the other one was display angle P. So it was display angle P, and we'll apply. Oh, was it DISP? Oh, there it is. Angle P. I just didn't want it to be too long. And so notice that it's right here. I forgot about my variable. So all I need to do is change the Y value. I'm going to put it at negative 3. I forgot what it is. Negative 3.4 and negative 3.7. Let's see what happens. And I will change the font. And I will use font 16. Apply. Now, I don't want it there. I want it right here. So that is embarrassing. Okay. So I needed negative 2.7. Let's see what happens. negative 2.7, negative 2.5. That's better. And then I will move it to the right. So let's see what happens if I put a 1. Perfect. So I apply it, and there you go. And notice one thing. I use a single box, and they all come together. And if I enter the text on this side, right here on the text, it will show, like you see it right here. And so again, take a look at this. Yeah, it changes the value. And it's a cleaner way to put this. It's more expedite. You invest time at the beginning, but then you save time in the end. So I'm gonna record it, and